Hello, I'm Fahmi from Hibex Singapore. Today I'll be sharing with you the JBC Soldering 2-tool rework station. So this station consists of the soldering unit and the desoldering unit together with the vacuum suction for desoldering. For the tools, we have 3 different modes. We have the sleep mode, the hibernation mode, and the active mode. So for currently, the tools are in the tool stand. It will be in the sleep mode. As you can see, it will be at around 150 degrees Celsius. And when the timer hits around 0, as you can see there's a timer here, it will hit hibernation mode and the temperature of the tool will reach room temperature. So when I pick up the tool should immediately be in active mode and the temperature will rise up to about 350 to 360 degrees Celsius depending on the user. So I put it back in and we'll head back to sleep mode. This tool is very seamless in a way that you can change the tools whenever you want. So for example, if your PCB board has different types of tools needed for the soldering point, you can pick it up, place the tip into the removal point and take a new tip and just push it in. So now you have the second tool ready for desoldering or soldering. Next, talk about the desoldering tool. This desoldering tool also has the same 3 functions, the active, hibernation, and the sleep mode. So for this one, it's better than the conventional desoldering method where you have to reload the desoldering pump and always press it every time you want to desolder a point on the PCB. So for this, it consists of the button for the vacuum, and all you have to do is place it onto the PCB board, wait for it to melt, and press onto the suction. Then you will have a clean cut of the desoldering method. So finally, I would like to move on to the compact station. This compact station is actually similar to the 2-tool reverse station, except that it doesn't come with the desoldering method. So it's just a single soldering point where you can just do your soldering. So that's all I have to share for today. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.